Flagler County, Bob Pickering here at the Emergency Operations Center with the latest Flagler weather update. Just a reminder, I'm not a meteorologist. All the weather information I present originates from the National Weather Service. Take a look at the weather charts as we go through the middle of the week. Take note of this cold front, and this is weakening all the severe weather and such. The big stuff's going well off to our north, but it's going to bring a round of some unsettled weather for Flagler County as it pushes into the area. It is weakening as it moves into the southeast, but still going to push some showers through, maybe the odd rumble of thunder. And then you got to notice it definitely cooler as this front passes by and sinks to our south. Now, as we get towards the end of the week, high pressure rapidly moves off to the east. We're going to see the winds from the northeast to the southeast, maybe blowing in a few showers along the coast on Friday, but the front staying well off to the south of us here, and you note a warm front lifting back to the north. But here comes another front, and that will probably be a role player in our weather over the weekend, as I'm afraid some more unsettled weather will be approaching the area. So let's take a look at the overview. Unsettled on Wednesday. We're starting off with plenty of sunny spells and cloud, but the cloud will thicken up. We'll get to that forecast in just a little bit, but it'll be cooler than warming up as we go towards the end of the week, and maybe some showers and the odd storm or two over the weekend. The weekend, by all means, is not looking to be a washout, but there will be some unsettled weather that we will be dealing with. So, sky conditions for Wednesday, again, sunny spells and cloud, but outbreaks of showers, maybe a few thunderstorms will be possible. That band of showers and thunderstorms should start to weaken as they approach our part of Florida. So, we can't rule out the thunderstorm or two, but it looks more likely we're just going to see a band of showers or some light rain this afternoon. High temperatures getting up into the mid 80s as before those clouds thicken up. And again, a spell of showers and some thunder is possible. We're not expecting anything big time out of it. Things will be clearing off and cooling down tonight with lows bottoming out in the mid 50s across Flagler County. Now, as we get to Thursday through Friday, largely sunny with some patchy cloud from time to time, especially blowing in from the ocean. So breezy and cooler on Thursday. Will be gusty winds at the coast. Maybe the odd gust up to 30 miles per hour be possible right at the beaches. High temperature struggling to get to 70 degrees, maybe the 60s at the beaches because the ocean is still rather cool. Low temperatures generally in the mid 50s at night. And looking for things to warm up as we get to Friday. Still plenty of sunshine. Highs getting into the upper 70s. It will still be cooler at the beaches. Lows and lower 60s at night. Now looking at the weekend, there's going to be a running chance of showers, maybe a thunderstorm. It depends on how this front and weather system coming in plays out. There's still a little bit of uncertainty on how it's all going to evolve. But just look for some unsettled weather off and on through the weekend. But like I said, by all means, not a washout. High temperatures averaging around 75 to 80 degrees. Low temperatures generally in the lower 60s at night. And it looks like we're going to be dealing with a few rounds of unsettled weather as we start off the next week. Highs averaging in the lower 80s, lows in the lower 60s. At the beaches, surf 2 to 3 feet right now, but that will be picking up as we go into Thursday. It'll get rather choppy out there, those breezy conditions. Still a chilly surf temperature of 67 degrees. Rip current risk is low as of Wednesday, but it'll probably increase as we go into Thursday, Friday due to those onshore winds developing. So just be mindful of that. UV index is rated as very high. So folks, weather's always changing, so stay informed. Go to flaglercounty.org, hover your mouse over webcams and weather, and that'll get you to the latest weather information for Flagler County. Also, sign up for Flagler Alert while you are there, because anytime there's an emergency or a weather warning, it'll call you if it's going to affect your neighborhood. Weather radios are an excellent source to get the latest weather information, as well as a good source for warnings. So always check yours, make sure it's working. Now, if you have Spectrum, you can watch us on channel 492 and also YouTube. We have a YouTube channel. If you want to find that, go to YouTube on the internet and type in Flagler County. You will find this and other fine Flagler County programs. That's going to wrap it up for the Emergency Operations Center. Everyone have a lovely day.